Thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule and joining the conference call today. We are now starting the CIMIC Holdings third quarter 2023 financial results presentation meeting. Today, our CFO Wataru Mochizuki will explain the financial results overview. We are scheduled to end at 10:45 after the Q&A session. The video recording of this call will be posted later on CIMIC's IR webpage and be available to view on demand. Now, our CFO Wataru Mochizuki will explain an overview of financial results. Hello, I am Mochizuki. I will be giving an overview of financial results for the third quarter of the fiscal year ending September 30, 2023. The following is a description of our group's business activities. CIMIC Group is spanning our business across our pharmaceutical solutions in which we support the development and manufacturing activities of pharmaceutical companies, as well as our healthcare solutions to provide services to medical institutions, healthcare professionals, local governments and individuals. In addition to promoting drug development and digitalization based on new drug discovery platform technologies, CIMIC is expanding its business domain into the healthcare field and promoting business that contribute to total disease care initiatives, from prevention to diagnosis, treatment, and prognosis. This table shows CIMIC Group sites. As of June 30, 2023, the CIMIC Group consists of 27 companies, including CIMIC Holdings, the holding company, and 22 consolidated subsidiaries, and 4 equity method affiliated company, and has 61 sites, including plants and laboratories, in Japan and overseas. In the third quarter, 3 CIMIC CMO Group companies changed from consolidated subsidiaries to equity method affiliates. In a fiscal year ending September 30, 2023, the second year of the midterm plan from 2022 to 2025, we will steadily implement measures to address each of these pillars in order to achieve our goals. Following the conclusion of the Strategic Business Alliance Agreement with DNP and the conversion of CIMIC CMO Group to an equity method affiliate, the income statement of CIMIC CMO Group is consolidated through the third quarter of the current fiscal year with June 30 as the deemed date, while the balance sheet is excluded at the end of the period. This business alliance aims to create new value by combining DNP's expertise in bulk pharmaceuticals and packaging technology and efficient production processes with CIMIC's extensive knowledge in the medical and healthcare fields. CIMIC CMO is already developing value-added pharmaceuticals using oxygen-free packaging technology, and establishing a generic product development platform with end-to-end coverage from bulk pharmaceuticals to manufacturing. First, let me talk about our progress toward evolution of the healthcare business. As for municipal support services, we have received various requests from municipalities with which we have established a relationship of trust through comprehensive support for coronavirus infection control, ranging from the medical field to the area of public health. In the third quarter of the current fiscal year, the company began to support the promotion of digitization of maternal and child health services for health checkups and vaccinations for infants by Rasutsu Village and Rankashi Town in Hokkaido, in accordance with Digital Garden Cities and Green Transformation. Under this project, CIMIC will link pediatric vaccination records using Harmo Vaccine Care, and a maternal and child health management app using the data integration app of Akeos Incorporated, an equity method affiliate, as a data distribution platform to create a system that allows parents, medical institutions, and local governments to share data in real time. We are also strengthening our digital platform to improve the health value of individuals through our group companies Nako NTH Door Incorporated, Akeos Incorporated, and Harmo. Nakanador is developing its business based on Nanakara, a support platform for epilepsy patients and their families. The platform enables specialists in various locations to check patients' daily seizure records, medication histories, etc., and provide online medical care, and is in the process of expanding its target diseases from epilepsy. In May, the immunization management app, Harmo Vaccine Care, was linked to My Number portal to provide a function to retrieve vaccination information from My Number portal. Public immunization records can be viewed on the app to improve the efficiency of cumbersome immunization management. We have joined the PHR Service Business Association, which was established on July 10, 2023, and will lead the discussion on PHR standardization as the chair company of the Standardization Committee within this organization. The slide explains our initiative to comprehensive support for disease prevention, treatment R&D, and marketing. In order to strengthen support for overseas biotech ventures entering the Japanese market and for companies from other industries entering the healthcare field, we have established a consulting and navigation unit to respond to the various needs of our clients across the entire group and have received many inquiries. In addition, for DCTs which are expected to improve patient access to clinical trials and increase the efficiency of clinical trials, we are supporting the National Cancer Center Hospital's first fully remote online clinical trial. Drug lag and loss in Japan is an issue, and CIMIC will actively support drug discovery in Japan. Regarding contribution to sustainable society through services with high social benefits, as a company involved in a business of supporting people's life and health, the CIMIC Group places a high priority on ethics and science, and is proactively developing human resources who can play an active role in these areas and providing opportunities for them to do so. We are focusing on securing and fostering a diverse workforce, and are launching USARIHA, a next-generation education and international exchange center, as well as preparing for the introduction of a flexible compensation system. This is an overview of consolidated income statement. Sales in the third quarter of fiscal year were 85,816 million yen, which was up 9.5% year-on-year by 7,448 million yen. Operating profit was 10,095 million yen, which was up 8.8% year-on-year by 815 million yen. Ordinary profit was 9,996 million yen, which was down 4.3% year-on-year by 444 million yen. Profit attributable to owners of parent was 7,636 million yen, which was up 28.7% year-on-year by 1,704 million yen. Earnings per share were 422 yen and 19 cents. Non-operating and extraordinary profit and loss consisted of 110 million yen in non-operating income and 209 million yen in non-operating expenses, including interest expenses. Extraordinary income includes 3,388 million yen in gain on sales of investment securities, etc., and extraordinary loss includes 283 million yen in loss on retirement of non-current assets, etc. In addition, income taxes of 5,350 million yen and profit attributable to non-controlling interests of 113 million yen were recorded. Net sales and operating profit by segment are shown in this table. Both net sales and operating profit increased year-on-year due to the continuation of municipal support services related to new coronavirus infection in a healthcare solutions segment through the second quarter and growth in each business in a pharmaceutical solutions segment. Orders received and order backlog by segment are shown in a table below. Following the conversion of CIMIC CMO Group into an equity method affiliate, orders and order backlogs of 6.835 billion yen for CIMIC CMO Group, which will be booked as sales from the fourth quarter onward, have been deducted from the figures for the 9 months ended June 30, 2023. Before deductions, orders received and order backlogs for the Pharmaceutical Solutions segment were -7.7% and -2.6%, respectively, compared with the same period of the previous fiscal year. The composition of sales in the reportable segments was similar to that of the same period last year, with Pharmaceutical Solutions and Healthcare Solutions accounting for 72.3% and 27.7% of total sales, respectively. The following is a sales composition by business segment of Pharmaceutical Solutions. Sales grew in all businesses, reaching 62,840 million yen, up 10.3% year-on-year, and operating income also increased to 4,402 million yen, up 6.4% year-on-year. The CRO business accounted for 49.7%, the CDMO business 31.2%, and the Market Solutions business 19.1% of total sales. This is an overview of the Pharmaceutical Solutions CRO business. Our sales has increased compared to the previous fiscal year. Due to the steady implementation of projects on order, and the increase in utilization ratio, the business profit margin exceeded that of the same period of the previous year. Along with the strengthening of comprehensive consulting services with the launch of the Consulting and Navigation Unit, there has been an increase in efficacy and safety evaluation and analysis projects in advanced areas where modalities are becoming more diversified. This is an overview of the Pharmaceutical Solutions CDMO business. Sales increased from the previous year due to an increase in contract production volume in Japan. Likewise, our EBITDA margin and profit rate exceeded that of the same period in a previous fiscal year. In Japan, new projects are steadily expanding, and the Ashikaga injectable drug facility has successfully launched production and sales of large projects. We will continue to focus on sales activities for our U.S. business and promote collaboration with the DNP Group in the future. This is an overview of the Pharmaceutical Solutions Market Solutions business. Although net sales increased year-on-year, the business profit margin was lower than in the same period of the previous year, mainly due to an increase in R&D expenses for orphan drugs. The MR dispatch market is expanding as pharmaceutical companies accelerate outsourcing to adjust their workforce. We are receiving strong inquiries from pharmaceutical companies. The following is a breakdown of the sales composition of the Healthcare Solutions business. Sales and profit have increased, with sales rising to 24,102 million yen, increased by 10.3% compared to the previous fiscal year, and operating profit, rising to 7,040 million yen, increased by 13.4% compared to the previous fiscal year. The sales composition is 37.1% for the Site Support Solutions business and 62.9% for the Healthcare Revolution business. While the number of COVID-related development projects declined, the sales composition of the Healthcare Revolution business increased due to growth in vaccination support. This is an overview of the Healthcare Solutions Site Support Solutions business. Due to a decrease in large COVID vaccine development projects, net sales were lower than in the same period of the previous year, but the business profit margin remained at the same level as in the same period of the previous year due to steady progress in projects. Orders are firm, and we are also expanding our business to support the clinical trial office of medical institutions. Healthcare Solutions Healthcare Revolution Business Overview. Continuation of COVID vaccination-related services resulted in higher sales and a higher business profit margin than in the same period of the previous year. We are expanding our business integrating disease prevention, health information, and DX to expand our healthcare business in post-COVID. Here, I'd like to explain our consolidated balance sheet. There was a significant change due to the conversion of CIMIC CMO Group into an equity method affiliate. Total assets at the end of the quarter amounted to 70,720 million yen, down 37,517 million yen from the end of the previous fiscal year, mainly due to decreases in tangible fixed assets, trade receivables, and inventory assets. Capital expenditures totaled 4,486 million yen, depreciation totaled 4,220 billion yen, and amortization of goodwill totaled 77 million yen. Liabilities amounted to 31,295 million yen, a decrease of 35,525 million yen from the end of the previous fiscal year, mainly due to a decrease in interest-bearing debt. Net assets decreased by 2,492 million yen from the end of the previous fiscal year to 38,776 million yen, mainly due to a decrease in non-controlling interests and an increase in retained earnings. The impact of the deconsolidation of CIMIC CMO Group on a balance sheet is as follows. Regarding assets, total assets will decrease by 37,522 million yen due to a decrease in trade receivables of 3,035 million yen, inventory assets of 5,496 million yen, fixed assets of 28,842 million yen, etc. Liabilities decreased by 29,101 million yen due to decreases in interest-bearing debt of 15,080 million yen and lease obligations of 4,075 million yen, etc. Net assets decreased by 8,421 million yen mainly due to a decrease in non-controlling interests. As a result, the equity ratio will increase from 34.4% before exclusions to 52.8%. Next, I would like to present our full-year forecast for the fiscal year ending September 30, 2023. There is no change in the full-year earnings forecast for the fiscal year ending September 30, 2023 from the figures announced in a second quarter earnings announcement on April 28, 2023. We forecast net sales of 105,000 million yen, operating profit of 10,300 million yen, ordinary profit of 9,000 million yen, profit attributable to owners of the parent of the company of 7,300 million yen, and net income per share of 420.07 yen. With this I conclude my presentation and I will be happy to take your questions now. Thank you.